Hi, first graders. Today we're going to practice finding syllables in words. If you look at this word that I have written on our board over here is the word lady. When I say that word lady, I hear two syllables. Now you say it. Each syllable that you hear has a vowel sound in it. One way to figure out the syllables in a word is to find out or is to count how many vowel sounds you hear. So this word lady that we have has two vowel sounds, lay, e. So you hear the long A in lay, and then you hear the long E in D, lay, D. We can identify the vowels by labeling them. So remember, a vowel is A, E, I, O, U, and a consonant is all of the other letters that are not vowels. Okay, so we're going to take the word lady and we're going to label it with a consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, because remember, sometimes Y, right? In the word lady, the Y has the long E sound. So when we say the first syllable, lay, we hear the long A, and when we say D, we hear the long E at the end. So there are two syllables. And we know where to divide the word lady because we went ahead and we labeled consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. You can always break the word apart after the first vowel. Like right here's where I divided the word lady into two syllables because the long A is the first vowel sound that I hear. Let's try another one. Let's try this word. Let's read it together. Begin. Let's slow it down. Begin. Begin. Let's go ahead and label. We have a B consonant, a vowel, another consonant, a vowel, and another consonant. Do you see our pattern? We have consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. Our pattern is there. So where would we separate the word begin? Right. We would put it after the first vowel, which is E. B, and then gin is our second syllable, okay? So we were able to separate our word into two syllables because we heard the long E and then we heard the long I. Begin. Let's try another one. Our last one. We're going to write the word music. Let's go ahead and label our letters. We have consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant. Don't let the last consonant throw you off the path here because we still have our pattern, right? We still have our consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. All right, our pattern is still there, even with the extra consonant at the end. So in our rules, it says that we can break the word apart into syllables after we hear the first vowel. Let's say the word together. Music. Music. How many syllables do you hear? Music. I hear 2 syllables. I hear the long U and the long I. Where would I break this word apart? If you said after the U, you are correct. And we know that because our rule says that we can separate our word after the first vowel, right? Mu. All right, let's practice with a couple 2-syllable words here. If you look in the corner of your screen, there I am. And we're going to practice a couple 2-syllable words, okay? Read them with me. Table, table. Below, below. Behind, behind. Beside, sofa. Lady, shady. Able. Now this one's a little bit different, but we learned, because it doesn't start with a consonant, it starts with a vowel, but we did learn that LE is its own syllable. Remember, we learned that a couple weeks ago. So abe, ol, is still 2 syllables. And our last word, stable. I want to take you back. I don't want you to get confused thinking these are compound words because they're not. For example, I have the word here. We have the word lady. It's a 2-syllable word. But we also have the word beside. Now, beside could be a compound word because be is a word and side is a word, but it's not a compound word. It's a word that just happens to have 2. All right, class, that's all for today. You're going to use these words to practice your phonics this week, and I have a worksheet on the lesson plan for you where you can practice splitting your words into syllables and counting the syllables in the words. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.